Nearly half of all car repairs could be avoided with one simple change in how you start your engine. That's not an exaggeration, it's a harsh reality that's costing drivers thousands of dollars every year in preventable damage. Today, we're exposing 12 costly mistakes that destroy cars, including one starting technique that's silently killing your engine right now. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which habits are sabotaging your vehicle and how to fix them before your next repair bill arrives. We're diving deep into the most dangerous myths, the overlooked warning signs, and the simple changes that separate smart car owners from those stuck on the side of the road with smoking engines. Mistake number 1. Ignoring dashboard warning lights and engine noises. That glowing check engine light isn't just a suggestion, it's your car screaming for help. Most drivers treat dashboard warnings like optional notifications, continuing to drive while their engine slowly destroys itself from the inside. But that's not all. Strange noises are equally critical warning signs that demand immediate attention. When these alerts appear, even in newer vehicles, they're indicating problems that will multiply in cost if ignored. A simple sensor replacement today becomes an engine rebuild tomorrow. The reason this is happening is that modern cars have sophisticated monitoring systems designed to catch problems early, before catastrophic failure occurs. Your move: check your owner's manual the moment any warning appears and consult a professional within 48 hours. Early intervention saves thousands. Mistake number 2. Never checking fluid levels regularly. Your engine oil isn't a set-it-and-forget-it system. It's a living, breathing component that needs constant monitoring. Many drivers assume that newer cars automatically manage everything, but even reliable models can develop sudden oil consumption issues that will seize your engine without warning. It gets worse. Coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, power steering fluid, and windshield washer fluid all require regular attention. These vital fluids are your car's lifeblood, and running low on any of them triggers expensive cascade failures. A quart of oil costs $5. A new engine costs $5,000. But listen to this: checking fluid levels takes less than 5 minutes, and can be done with basic tools most people already own. Your move: check all fluid levels monthly, and keep spare fluids in your garage. Prevention beats destruction every time. Mistake number 3. Starting cold engines without preparation. Picture this: you jump in your freezing car on a winter morning and immediately slam it into drive. You've just sentenced your engine to premature death. Cold oil flows like molasses, leaving critical components grinding against each other without proper lubrication. It gets crazier. Turbocharged engines are especially vulnerable, as their precision components can warp from thermal shock. Extreme weather preparation isn't optional anymore with modern high-performance engines. Hot weather brings its own dangers too. Overheated coolant systems can blow head gaskets in minutes, turning a quick trip into a $1,000 nightmare. The reason this is happening is that today's engines run hotter and tighter tolerances than ever before. Your move: let your engine idle for 30 seconds in cold weather and check coolant levels before summer road trips. Patience protects your investment. Mistake number 4. Overusing the starter motor. When your engine refuses to start, your first instinct is to keep cranking until something happens. That grinding, whirring sound you hear is your starter motor slowly cooking itself to death. Most people crank for 30, 40, even 60 seconds straight, not realizing they're destroying a component that costs hundreds to replace. But that's not all. Excessive cranking also floods the engine and drains your battery. The starter motor is designed for short bursts, not marathon sessions. After 15 seconds of cranking, you've crossed into the danger zone where internal components begin overheating and wearing rapidly. It gets worse. A burned-out starter will leave you stranded at the worst possible moment, usually in the middle of nowhere. Your move: crank for maximum 15 seconds, then wait 30 seconds before trying again. If it doesn't start after 3 attempts, diagnose the real problem instead of destroying your starter. Mistake number 5. The accessory shutdown myth. Here's a myth that refuses to die. You must turn off your radio, air conditioning, and lights before starting your car. Thousands of drivers still follow this outdated ritual every single day, wasting time based on advice from the 1970s. But listen to this: modern cars are specifically designed to handle electrical loads during startup without any issues whatsoever. This misconception comes from an era when cars had weak electrical systems and primitive batteries. Today's alternators and batteries can easily manage your accessories while starting the engine. The reason this myth persists is that some people confuse correlation with causation when their weak battery finally dies. However, if your battery is already struggling, being cautious doesn't hurt. Your move: start normally with accessories on. But if your battery is over 3 years old, consider the extra precaution until you replace it. Mistake number 6. Skipping warm-up in carbureted engines. If you're driving a classic car or older vehicle with a carburetor, this mistake will leave you walking. Carbureted engines don't have the sophisticated fuel injection systems that modern cars use to adjust for temperature changes. But that's not all. Cold carburetors create lean fuel mixtures that cause rough running, stalling, and excessive engine wear. Unlike fuel-injected engines that adapt automatically, carburetors need time to reach operating temperature before they can properly mix air and fuel. It gets worse. Driving immediately without warming up can cause the engine to stall in traffic, leaving you stranded and embarrassed. The reason this is happening is that carburetors rely on physical processes that simply don't work efficiently when cold. Your move? Let carbureted engines warm up for 2 to 3 minutes before driving, especially in cold weather. Old-school engines need old-school care. Mistake number 7. Neglecting long-term storage inspection. Your car has been sitting in the garage for 3 months, and you think you can just hop in and drive away. That's automotive suicide waiting to happen. Extended storage creates a perfect storm of problems that can destroy your engine, transmission, and electrical system all at once. But that's not all. Stagnant fluids, deteriorating rubber seals, and corroded metal components are silently sabotaging your vehicle while it sits. When cars remain stationary for months, fuel goes stale and gums up the entire system. Tires develop flat spots that cause dangerous vibrations, and batteries lose charge permanently. It gets worse. Mice and other creatures love to chew expensive wiring harnesses during storage periods. The reason this is happening is that cars are designed to be driven regularly, not to sit like museum pieces. Your move? Before starting a stored vehicle, check all fluids, inspect tires for damage, test the battery, and look for signs of pest damage. A thorough inspection prevents catastrophic surprises. Mistake number 8. Ignoring battery terminal corrosion. Those white, crusty deposits around your battery terminals aren't just cosmetic issues. They're electrical cancer spreading through your car's nervous system. Most drivers notice the corrosion, but assume it's harmless, not realizing this buildup is slowly strangling their car's electrical connections. But listen to this. Severe corrosion can prevent your car from starting even with a perfect battery. Corroded terminals create electrical resistance that forces your charging system to work overtime, eventually burning out expensive components like alternators and voltage regulators. It gets crazier. The corrosion literally eats through metal connections, creating intermittent electrical failures that are nearly impossible to diagnose. The reason this keeps happening is that battery acid vapors naturally corrode surrounding metals. Your move? Clean terminals monthly with a wire brush and baking soda solution. Then apply protective spray. Clean connections ensure reliable starts. Mistake number 9. Skipping planned maintenance schedules. Here's the most expensive mistake on our list: treating maintenance schedules like gentle suggestions instead of survival instructions. Oil changes, filter replacements, and fluid services aren't optional. They're the difference between a car that lasts 200,000 miles and one that dies at 80,000. But that's not all. Skipping just one major service interval can trigger a cascade of failures that cost more than the car is worth. When you ignore scheduled maintenance, you're essentially playing Russian roulette with your engine's life. That oil change you skipped becomes a 5,000 engine replacement when oil breaks down and critical components seize. It gets worse. Modern engines run tighter tolerances and hotter temperatures, making them even more sensitive to maintenance neglect than older designs. Your move: follow your owner's manual religiously and keep detailed maintenance records. Consistent care prevents catastrophic bills. If these maintenance secrets are already saving you money, smash that like button to help other drivers avoid these expensive mistakes. Mistake number 10. Over-relying on start-stop systems. That start-stop system in your modern car promises to save fuel and reduce emissions, but it's quietly destroying two of your most expensive components. Every time the engine shuts off at a red light and restarts when you lift your foot, it's putting extra stress on your starter motor and battery. But that's not all. These systems can create awkward delays when you need to accelerate quickly, potentially putting you in dangerous traffic situations. Start-stop technology forces your starter to work dozens of extra times per drive, dramatically reducing its lifespan compared to traditional driving. It gets worse. The specialized batteries required for these systems cost 3 times more than regular batteries, and fail more frequently. The reason this is happening is that manufacturers prioritized fuel economy ratings over long-term component durability. Your move: learn how to disable your start-stop system and use it selectively. Save money by turning it off during heavy traffic and short trips. Mistake number 11. Double turning the ignition key. You start your engine, but out of habit you give the key another quick turn while it's already running. That grinding metallic screech you just heard is your starter gear violently clashing against the flywheel. Most people do this accidentally and think it's harmless, but you're actually damaging precision machined components that cost hundreds to repair. But listen to this: repeated incidents can completely destroy your starter's engagement mechanism. When you turn the key while the engine is running, you're forcing the starter's gear to slam against a spinning flywheel at high speed. It gets crazier. Some people develop this habit so strongly they do it multiple times per start, multiplying the damage exponentially. The reason this keeps happening is that muscle memory overrides conscious thought, especially during stressful situations. Your move. Practice mindful key handling and immediately stop turning once the engine fires. Conscious control prevents expensive accidents. Mistake number 12. Using wrong fuel or fluids. Picture this nightmare scenario. You accidentally put diesel fuel in your gasoline engine, or vice versa. That single mistake just cost you thousands of dollars in damage and potentially destroyed your entire fuel system. Most people panic and try to start the engine, which spreads contaminated fuel throughout every component and multiplies the repair costs exponentially. But that's not all. Using the wrong motor oil viscosity can be equally devastating to modern engines. Wrong fuel damages fuel pumps, injectors, and catalytic converters, while incorrect oil viscosity causes bearing damage and timing chain problems. It gets worse. Some gas stations occasionally have contaminated fuel that can destroy multiple cars before anyone notices the problem. The reason this is happening more frequently is that modern engines have tighter tolerances and more sensitive emissions systems than ever before. Your move. Double check before pumping, never start if you've misfueled, and have the tank drained by professionals immediately. Prevention saves your engine. These 12 mistakes are silently destroying cars across the country, turning simple maintenance issues into catastrophic repair bills. The drivers who avoid these traps save thousands of dollars and years of frustration, while those who ignore them end up financing new engines instead of enjoying their vehicles. This content is for educational purposes only, and not professional automotive advice. Always consult a qualified mechanic or automotive expert for specific vehicle concerns and repairs.